Hey, this is Aaron with SimpleTix.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import a list of possible answers to a survey question. So in this scenario, in this real world example, we have a basketball event and they want everyone to select what team they're on or what team they're affiliated with during the checkout process. And so I'm going to show you the quickest way to add that in. There's like over 100 teams. I'll show you a really fast way of adding them in. And I'll also show you a special portal that we've designed for basketball teams or other sporting events where you want to ask them what team they're supporting on before they see what tickets are available. So in this case, each team is allowed to have 24 or 25 guests that are supporting them, and we want to limit that. So basically, you need to know what team that they're interested in supporting before you show them what's available. Because if 23 people already bought tickets for that one team that's called the Philadelphia Flyers, that means only 2 tickets are remaining, so we need to update the inventory when they select the tickets. All right, so let's dive in. So the very first thing is I've logged into their SimpleTix site, and I'm going to go over to settings here, and I am going to go to click order form, and we're going to ask a set of questions per order. And let's go ahead and create a question that's going to appear on the checkout page. And I'm going to say, like, what team is your child on? And we can change this to be anything else, like, hey, what's your favorite team or what team are you supporting? You can make it kind of anything you want. But in our case, and I'll get to this reason later on in our video, the word team is really important in this specific question. So that's there. And I'm going to make it a required one, and then I'll go to settings, and now I'm going to choose a list of choices. And this is brand new. Probably about a month ago we added into our platform, but you can click here and you can import an entire list. All right, so our client gave us this list right here, and I'm just opening up straight up in Google Sheets, or pretty much the Excel previewer that's built into Gmail. And I'm going to take this, and in this case, they actually want the team name and the division next to it. So what I'm going to do right now is just copy those 2 columns, and I'm just going to paste it straight into Notepad. And in this case, I'm just going to do a quick replace of this white space to just a simple hyphen. And here we go. So I made that change. Now I'm going to copy all of them, and I'm going to paste them straight into SimpleTix. So here on this page, I'm going to paste them in right now. I'm going to click paste. And I think there's about a limit of 100 or 200 in here, so we'll let you know if you pass that limit. And if there's any duplication, we'll have the intelligence in here to detect that and to skip it. And in this case, we don't have any. This is a brand new question. We don't have any existing ones. If we did have some existing ones, there's an option down here to delete all the current ones, but that doesn't really matter because it's a blank slate. All right, so I'll click import here. And now it's going to import them all in, and that took less than a few seconds here, and I'll click settings, and boom, I can see them all right here. And if there's any one that I want to be on the top, I can simply just drag it to the top just like that. And if one of them I realize, you know what, I don't want that on my list, I can click delete if I want to as well. So you have lots of changes you can do. And going forward, at any time, if you ever want to add an additional one, you don't have to do the import again. If you just want to cherry pick one at a time, add some new ones on, you can totally do that. So for example, if I want to add another one on here, I could do like sample club as a new team. I can totally add a new one just like that. In this case, I don't want to do that though, so I'm going to click delete on that. All right, so I'll click the save button on the top of the page right here, hitting page up, clicking save. All right, so now it's saved. Let's look at our event page. Okay, so here's our event page, and I'll click buy tickets. And I'll go ahead and just grab one ticket. I'll click checkout. And if I go down here, I see the question that we just created together of what team is your child on, and you can see the full list right here. So that's kind of like out of the box what you get with SimpleTix, and you can kind of do it yourself, which is really nice. Now I'm going to show you something that's kind of special, and if any team out there or any organization out there wants to see what I'm about to show, let us know and we'll set it up for you. But let me just jump in right now and show you the special thing that we offer. We call it the Team Portal. And again, if you'd like to have this, let us know. So here we're on the event page, and the very first step is to select what team our child is on. So I'll go ahead and select it from our list here. And now I will choose the event date. Now the default in our team portal is 24. If you want to adjust it to a different time, such as 25, let me show you how to do that. And what I'm showing you right now is just special for this team portal. Let me show you where to find that. So basically, when you go back to events and click on your event and click on event times, it's kind of funny, but it says event time title here. Just for our team portal, this is where you'll set the maximum number of tickets each team is allowed. In this case, it's 25. So when I put 25 in here, it is kind of weird that it is the team, it's a time title, but it's the only place for us to really put it. We can't put it here in event capacity of 25 because that will be the total capacity for the event and you'll pretty much be sold out. And you can't put it here either. You actually have to put it in the time title. And again, this is just for our new portal that we're just kind of demoing this during COVID right now. All right, so click purchase tickets. And here's a page where basically I can select how many tickets I'd like and do my checkout. Now, this team, if they're allowed 25 and we just took away 2, if anyone else goes to this page, they'll see just 23 remaining. And in this site, they have not set up Square. So as soon as they set up Square, it's going to have it down here where they have the ability to put credit card in. But they haven't set up Square yet, so they can't do that. But people can pay directly with credit card on this team portal. All right, well, thanks for watching this demonstration today where we covered how to import a list of teams just using copy and paste right into SimpleTix. And I kind of talked about, if you have duplications or any kind of weird issues in your list, we'll take care of it for you. And I also mentioned that you can, change the order list. I showed you how to do that. And if you want to add new teams to your list, you can do that at any time. So it kind of showed you what you get out of the box with SimpleTix. And then I showed you this new team portal. If you ever want to use it, just let us know. We'll set it up for you, no problem, no extra fee at all as well. All right, thanks for watching this video today. Bye now.